students, welcome to the second part of lesson number 8 of class 6, an introduction to Scratch programming. In the previous part, I've already told you how to install a Scratch. Now here, once we have opened the Scratch, this type of user interface appears, and in this video, I'm going to make you understand what are the different parts of the user interface and how to work on it. Okay, now you can see here there is a block palette. In the block palette, you can see different shapes of blocks. So what are blocks? Blocks are puzzle piece-like shapes which are used to create code in Scratch. We have to drag one by one the blocks to the script area, which is towards the right hand side. Okay. Here you can easily see these things. Now there is a description of the blocks. Motion block is there, looks is there, sound is there, events is there, control is there, sensing, operators, variables, and my blocks. Okay. Now we have to drag one by one the blocks to the script area, and this is how a particular game, animated game, or a particular type of figure we can create with using the Scratch. Now you can see there is a green color flag and a red dot. Green color flag is used for execution of the program. So after putting the blocks over there, if I have to, when we'll click at the green flag, automatically the sprite will come into function. And if I have to stop the execution of the program, I have to click at the stop project, which is in the form of red color dot. The sprite, which is in the form of a cat, isn't it? It works. It executes all the commands, and the place where it moves is known as stage. Now there is not even a single sprite, you can say. If I want to create my own sprite, I can create my own sprite and install it here also. Apart from that, there are so many sprite options are being given. Where from here, that is choose sprite option. You can see at the bottom right hand side corner, choose sprite. And just after that, there is an option choose a backdrop. Backdrop stands for key. If I want to change the backdrop, suppose I want to make an animated game. So I want to change the scenery from marine life to jungle life to like this to a village life. So I can choose a backdrop which has been given. Okay. Block palettes are there. At the extreme corner, you can see an extension button. Extension button is used to, if I want to create a mathematical figure using a pen. Okay. If I have to create a pair with a pen, I have to create a pentagon, hexagon, octagon, any type of mathematical figure. Then I have to use this extension button. And when we click at the extension button, children, then you can see the text to speech option, translate option, pen option, music option, video sensing option, so many other options you will be getting. So basically, we can create a very good animated game using the Scratch programming window. And the block palettes, the description means every block palette, every descriptive, there is a description for each block palette, which I'm going to share right now. Okay. Now, as I have told you, blocks are puzzle piece-like shapes which are used to create this code in Scratch. They are placed in the block palette under the block description area. This already I have explained to you. Now, when these pieces are connected to each other like a zigzag puzzle, isn't it? Here you can easily see that the first one, where it is written when this green flag is being clicked, it starts with this block and this is known as hat. Okay. It's the blocking always starts with this block only. Stack block means these are the stack blocks. जैसे कि move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees. Okay, where it performs the main commands. It is known as the stack block. Boolean block, when it is known as when we are going to use for true or false condition, Boolean itself means true or false. So whenever we are going to use any condition for true or false, then we use the Boolean block. Next, you can see the green color block, join apple or banana. Means it contains the values. It is known as a reporter block. Whenever there is a looping type, like which we have, suppose one command we have to repeat again and again and again, then we go and use the C block. C जैसे लिखा है with this yellow color, result 10. Okay. Also, it is known as wrap block, means it loops a condition in the code. It keeps on repeating the condition in the code till the time the condition is being satisfied. This is known as a wrap block or C block. When we have to end it, then we use the cap block. Here we can see the last block, which is being written already, stop all. When we click on this, everything comes to a halt. And our figure, the design, whichever we want, it is being drawn by the sprite. I hope this part It is clear for the blocks. Thank you and have a nice day.